Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look that I filmed. It was an Arabic inspired makeup look. I had a little bit of issues, but yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, just continue watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I didn't leave it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with some primer. I'm gonna go in with the Clarions Beauty Balm or Beauty Flash Balm, and you're gonna see this in my upcoming videos until I finish it, because I'm the type of person that if I don't finish a product and then I go buy a new product, I will not touch that product again. So I want to do kind of like an Arabic makeup style, which is like smoky eyes, heavy makeup type of look today. I don't know. That's what I want to do. So now I'm going to go in with my eyebrows. So I posted a video the other day, and it was just basically me just doing my makeup without talking or whatever. So I'm not sure if people liked that. I haven't really looked, but today I was like, you know what, let me do a talk through or whatever. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm going in with the Morphe pencil in Chocolate Mousse. So now I'm gonna go in with the Instant Angel Wine concealer. So I'm just gonna pause my music for a second and go on a little bit of a rant because I'm kind of like annoyed. I just really hate the influencer world. I really hate the influencer world because I was bamboozled. So I've always wanted to get my nose done, like a nose job, you know, rhinoplasty, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I always wanted to do it because I don't like how my nose looks in the front. The side, I could deal with it, but it could look better, you know? But I'm not like, oh my god, I need a nose job like right now. Like, you know, like I'm fine without it, but like, you know, it would help a lot with certain things. But I wanted to get that done. But it's so hard to find a good doctor because literally they all have bad reviews. And I don't know if like I'm just a dumbass, but like those 1 to 2, 3 like bad reviews really gets me, and that's what like is making me like, you know what, maybe I don't need a nose job, you know. But why I brought up the influencer world is because they say in these like videos that they post like, oh, I'm getting it done by this doctor and this doctor is really good, I did my research, blah blah blah. No you didn't, because they fucking suck. First of all, they have like the worst reviews, and it's all because they're probably getting paid, and I'm sure people already knew that. I'm just the one that gets like bamboozled by all these people, and I'm like, oh, they said they liked it, I liked their results, whatever. And then I looked them up and there's literally bad reviews on these people. So I was literally set on this doctor that I really wanted to go to for like, and he was all the way in California. One, that's a stretch for me because I obviously don't live in California, and two, I really liked his work based on what he would post on his social media and what this one influencer posted, and I liked her nose job or whatever. But then come to find out, once you look him up, he has rude ass staff, and some people just don't like his work. They said that he tried to hit on them, and I'm like, what the like, how are you gonna be an influencer and just because you're getting paid by them, I get it, but like you're recommending them to your like subscribers and your fans, people that look up and listen, will obviously listen to you. How would you not look at their reviews if you've researched? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that kind of annoyed me because I was the one that was like really set on this guy because I liked his work. Come to find out, he's really fucking shitty, but whatever. So just even if an influencer says they got it done at a place and they love it and you love their results, do your own research on these people, because even if they say they did their research, no, they did not. They did their research when it came to them getting paid. So that's all I have to say on that. I'm really mad because I really wanted to get my nose job at that place, but now I won't. And now I'm researching places and they're all fucking shitty. They all got bad reviews, so I'm not getting one. I'm going in with the Sultry by Anastasia palette. Literally my favorite palette in the world. These colors are literally the only colors I go for in a palette. So this is like my go-to palette. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Fresh. So, and I'm just gonna set my eyeshadow. Oh, this is the part where I always forget to put fucking tape. I always forget this part. And then I'm like, damn it, I forgot to do tape. But today's makeup look, I need to put tape. So I put it in the back of my hand. That way it's not so sticky on my face. And then it's less tacky. Man, my face has been breaking out. I'm gonna angle it right at the end of my eyebrow. Like so. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna go in with the shade called Twig and put that all in my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's called Dystopian, and I'm gonna put that on the outer, what the fuck is this called? I think outer V, I don't know. And I'm just gonna really like put it here and kind of like wing it out. Lately, I've been doing a lot of makeup videos because I don't really go out a lot. So when I do go out, that's when I vlog. But when I don't go out, this is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm really tempted to do Cinder. So I'm going to go in with this shade. So I'm just going to go in with my finger. And I'm just going to put that everywhere where I didn't put a shadow. And I'm gonna like kind of like pack and drag. So I feel like Anastasia lately with their shadows, they've been really like coming through, you know. I think after that blue palette, I don't really remember what it was called. But after that blue palette and after it got like so much backlash, I don't know why I really want to say backsplash, but it got so much hate because of like the pigment and just the shadows in general weren't that great. I feel like after that they were like, okay, let me give it to you. Oh my god, why do I always do that? I always go too high up with the freaking crease. All right, so then I'm gonna go back in with the brown shade again and kind of mesh the colors together like this and go up on the crease with whatever is left over on the brush. I'm gonna go back in with that shade again and pack it once again. I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner. So this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Okay, so for the final review. Not bad. You see? They never look like twins, bro. Okay, so I want to show you guys this look. This one right here. This one, that looks like shit. I'm gonna try my new concealer. The LA Pro Concealer HD High Definition, whatever. I got the green one for concealing my ugly ass pimples. And then I got this one because I want to try cream contours. Well, that's a lie. I only did that for the video. To be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a brush because I put way too much. I'm sure everyone knows this, but green cancels out the red. So once you put it by where you're breaking out, it cancels it out. Okay, literally I only did this for the video. I would see people doing that cool shit, so I just wasted hella product. I'm not doing that again. Okay, I don't know if it's like a different angle now because I turned off my camera, but update on the green concealer. I literally look like I have mold on my face. I don't know if I did this right. I don't know. I always see people color correct and it looks freaking good. And they put on their foundation all perfectly fine. And I look like I have mold on my face. I guess I'm gonna have to put like hella fucking foundation on my face. Yo, tell me not. I look like I have mold on my face. I have to add hella. Oh, by the way, I know this foundation is really freaking ugly and white. I actually went to go buy my actual favorite foundation, but everywhere I go, they don't have my shade. They have every other shade but the shade that I need. So yeah, I'm gonna continue using this ugly ass foundation. Put it on your ears, guys. Don't do that mistake. I see so many people be wearing like, because their body's tan but their face is pale, so they like, you know, match it to their neck, but then they forget their ears, and you know, I mean, I'm still pale, so it's gonna match whatever, but yeah, they be looking crazy. Don't even come for me for this foundation because I freaking know. Okay. Oh my god, my nose. If you guys don't know, my nose is freaking broken. Just kidding, it's not broken. I think I'm allergic to something. I literally went to the full max to go to the freaking ENT because I thought they were gonna tell me I have a deviated septum, then I would have had a nose job, but no. It's just, I might be allergic to something, so. Oh my god, if I find out I'm allergic to my cat, bro. Because I've never been allergic to cats. Like, I've had cats before, but you know, you could develop allergies once you get older, so that might have happened. Okay, now I literally look sick with this green concealer. I don't think I'd ever use this again, to be honest. You know where I went wrong? I think you have to be light with the green. I think that was it. Okay, so we're gonna go in with concealer. Where did I put it? Oh, Adrian again. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna also put it where I had the green because I feel like it's still not going away. Here we go. So satisfying, right? Hopefully. Hopefully this isn't too dark. Oh, because I will fuck up the whole look. So now I'm gonna do the contour. Oh my god, I did it again. So in my last video, I noticed how everything, when I was editing, everything was upside down when I would show the products. So I was like, oh, let me not do that again, and I did it for the majority of this video. I really want to know how to contour, but I feel like once I contoured my nose, it's probably because I don't really know how to, but it made it look bigger. Okay, let's blend this out. Please don't be bad. Please don't look bad. Oh, it looks bad. Oh my goodness, this looks like doodle. Oh my god, Lana. Yo, how do these YouTubers bomb? And it left the dot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. It keeps getting worse. Oh no. like YouTubers, they go into the next clip and their freaking cream contour looks so bomb. I don't know how to fix this. I think I put too much. Damn, I should have learned from the green. This side doesn't look so bad. Oh, yeah, it does. I'm gonna go in with the Lilly Lashes Lashatine in the Miami style. I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics Floral Blush in the shade Bahama Bronze. This is probably like one of my favorite blushes, to be honest. It's so nice and very, very pigmented, and I believe they're really, really cheap too. So I put it on my cheeks, my chin, and then my nose. So kind of give me like as if that like I've been outside kind of look. You know, like when you're like freezing fucking cold? Yeah, that look. And then I put a little bit on my forehead, not too much because I freaking did the most today. I like to go ham on the blush because this foundation looks really white, so when I add all these colors, it doesn't look so bad now, does it? Oh, I was searching for my freaking highlighter and it was right there. Too Faced Love Light highlighter in the shade Blinded by the Light. Is this giving you Arabic vibes? Now I'm gonna go back in with the palette and take the shade Twig. And I'm gonna run this under my eyes. Okay, just to smoke it out just a little bit, I'm gonna go in with the brown shade again. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty. This is the How Many Carats highlighter, and I'm gonna go put that in my inner corner for some pop of color. And I think I might put it right in the middle again for some pop of color. And I'm gonna put this on my face as well. I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip liner shade in Natural. Go in with the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Sellout. Do I want it to be matte? Alright, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss. This is just the NYX Pump It Up. Okay. I am done! Fuck yeah, baby. Oh shit, no I'm not. I never put on the freaking mascara. Oh, I was in the process and then shit went downhill. Fuck that, baby! My camera didn't die!